Would you look at all the pointless things that I bought? Schnitzel. Today we're gonna be making foods using all of these random items. I guess we're gonna be kind of reviewing them, but also hopefully making delicious food. So the first item that we're gonna be testing is called the banana surprise. Make yummy filled bananas. So basically this is a device that allows us to fill up a banana with chocolate. When you peel the banana off, it's gonna hopefully be filled with chocolate already. I mean, I'm not sure how this is gonna work out, but we're gonna find out. Not the kind of surprise that I'd be looking forward to. So this is what the box looks like. It says banana surprise, ages 6+. I would be the least satisfying unboxer ever. So I think this is the most important part. Alright, so first step, select a banana. That's a very weird way to say, go get a banana. Select a banana, like some of them are not good enough. This is giving me school flashbacks. Use the plastic knife provided to carefully cut off the end of the banana. What? We have to cut off the end of the banana? Insert the banana into the yum station. That's also what I call my body. I'm gonna cut off the end of the banana. This is a terrible knife. So I guess we throw this away. So we put the banana this way, I think. I think it's working, guys. I mean, it's going through. No! Ew, can you see that? That's so gross. I don't think this is supposed to happen. Banana numero dos. If this doesn't work now, I'm gonna be so upset. Ew. This looks so wrong. So now we have a banana with a freaking hole on it, and I guess we fill it up with whatever we want. I thought I could do this with melted chocolate, but I guess the ideal thing is like a syrup. So instead of chocolate, I'm gonna be filling it up. Oh my god. We're gonna be filling it up with some agave nectar because that's the only syrup I have at home. So why is it not coming out? Oh my god, this is not even going in. Oh, it's filling up now. No! Oh. I think if you want to waste bananas, then definitely this is the product for you. But I also want to still eat the banana. This is a mess, and I don't think this worked for me. I mean, I do realize that I am one of the stupidest people alive, and I probably used it wrong, and probably a 3-year-old would do a better job, but I hated every second of this. The second item that we're going to be testing is a mini garlic crush. So basically, this is a tiny miniature little car, like a toy car. You play with the car, and it basically crushes the garlic. I mean, hopefully this is gonna work. This is one of those as seen on TV products, so I am excited for this. So here we've got the mini garlic crushed. I think they mean crusher, because that doesn't make a lot of sense. I hate touching raw garlic because then you smell like it for a whole week. Sometimes I see chefs doing this. How does it go? Okay. I think that's how they do it. Nope. Would you look at that? That looks like a toy. It doesn't move very smoothly, not gonna lie. When you move it, there's blades on the inside. That's kind of scary, but... And put the garlic inside. I was gonna use 2, but it actually doesn't fit all in one go, so... It's not very solid, not gonna lie. Oh, this is breaking. I'm putting so much pressure, and it just... Look, it doesn't want to move sometimes. It's very difficult to use. I think I would have been better off using a knife, and trust me, when I say that, like anyone would say that. Let's see if it did a good job at chopping everything. I guess it's fun, but it's not very functional. I bought this next one on Amazon, and it had terrible, and when I say terrible, it had like 1-star reviews because people hate this product. But this is a chocolate pen. So basically, it's supposed to help you if you're gonna decorate cupcakes, if you're gonna make drawings. I guess this one is like a toy, because it's like you can draw with chocolate, and hopefully you can also eat it, because I'm not here for something that you spend a lot of time on and it's not edible. This is a chocolate pen. Let's give it a try. I would have probably never gotten this product, but the fact that the reviews for it were so bad, it got me so curious. So we're gonna open this up. I can kind of guess why the reviews are so bad. It's basically because this is just a normal like piping bag. And here we've got the chocolate pen. Not gonna lie, this is kind of small for what you're paying for, but like, they kind of do advertise it like that, so you can't really be too upset at this. There's actually quite a lot of stencils. I think these might need batteries. Now I've got this thing in my hand, and I've got no idea where this is from. So I'm not sure if you can see, but I filled this up with chocolate, and I think now we have to tighten this up. So the next step is to pour some warm water on top of our pen. This is honestly a lot of steps. This is definitely not worth it. Just get one of those kitchen decorating tools. And keep in mind that we're only on step number 4, and there's like 10 different steps. Actually, there's more than 10. I saved you to the drama that was putting this whole thing together. Like, honestly, does it work? I guess it kind of does work. Oh my god, this is so dumb, guys. I mean, I understand why people were upset, but at the same time, I do feel like this does what it says on the package, you know? This is not even very satisfying to use because it's not, like, overly smooth. Should we use a knife to try to smooth this out? This would be fun up to 6 years old. Honestly, if you're above 6, this would not be fun. This is just stressful and messy. Definitely not worth the amount of time I spent on this, honestly. I think this next one is my absolute favorite. So this is called Creepy Cups. I think that's the name of the brand. And it's basically a mug that you drink, you know, coffee or hot chocolate or whatever you want, with something creepy inside of it that you only find out after you drink it. So I'm not gonna show you exactly what it is because I want it to be a surprise for you guys. I don't want to show you the pictures on the side because I think it will be a lot more fun if you guys are surprised when you see it for the first time, like in action. Let's find out if this is creepy or not. I feel like every time someone says that something is creepy or scary, it's usually lame. So the best thing is to not sell it as something creepy, but I don't want to show you the inside until we fill it up with some hot chocolate because I want you guys to be surprised. Oops, you nearly saw the side. We're gonna make some galaxy hot chocolate. Let me move this out of the way. I make a very concentrated hot chocolate because, I mean, you know me by now, so please don't judge. The hot chocolate is in, so now we're gonna add the hot water. Alright, so for now you're not supposed to see anything yet, but I'm gonna drink this and then I'm gonna show you what's hiding inside the creepy cup. Imagine someone comes to your house and you make them a nice cup of tea, so they're just casually drinking it. And then when they're halfway through drinking the tea, they look at the cup and this is what they see. I'm no tea expert, but that certainly doesn't seem to look normal. So the more you drink, the more you realize there is a freaking spider inside your mug. I think this is actually incredibly creepy. It looks realistic. This is very creepy and it makes me very uncomfortable. They even have multiple options like a skull or an octopus. If you love pranking your friends as much as I do, you're probably gonna love this. This next one might be a little bit problematic, but I'm excited for it mostly because I feel like toast. But how do I even explain what this is? It's called Holy Toast and it's a product that helps you stamp the face of Jesus onto your toast. I mean, I'm not even joking. This is something that exists. I mean, I think it's funny. I've got a weird sense of humor, so hopefully you guys think this is funny as well. So I think we should give the Holy Toast a try. Personally, I think this one will be everything. Do you ever wonder who comes up with these things? Like, someone is lying in bed at night and thinking, do you know what would be amazing if Jesus was on my breakfast? Would you look at Jesus in all his glory? Like, actually, like, literally. Okay, so we're gonna press it down, I think. Oh, that's Jesus. So we're going to spray this a little bit. I'm not entirely sure if this is going to work. I really struggle to understand how Jesus is going to pop on that. Maybe we're supposed to trim the edges. Actually, would kind of make sense. This one, I made 3 different trials, mostly because I'm hungry, but I'm gonna run you through all of them. This is one to go if you want to prank someone, basically, because it looks more real. This one, I basically pressed a lot, and I also trimmed the edges, and I think it's the most clear one. If you love Jesus, if you have a sense of humor, I think this is a cool thing, so I'm gonna say that this one worked out perfectly, and now I'm gonna eat some toast. I'm trying really hard not to say that everything in this video is my favorite, because I am someone who gets very excited with things, so for me everything is like either 80 or 8, like there's no in between. This is a little cup that allows us to make a cubed egg. So basically, instead of being round, your egg will be square. I'm not even joking. It's called the Egg Cubed Square Egg Maker. This one is seriously strange. I wonder what was going on their heads. Like, do you know what we need? We need square eggs. Who comes up with these things? Like, seriously, I don't understand, honestly. I should have done my research for this next one, because I just realized that basically the way to use this product is, let me open it for you so you can see. You don't actually cook the egg in this device. I thought basically you put this in hot water and then it becomes a square boiled egg, but that's actually not how it works, even though I think that would be cooler. What you have to do instead is put the already boiled egg, like a perfectly round, like normal boiled egg, in here, and then you put it in the fridge or in the freezer even, and then you wait for it to become square. So we're going to boil 1 egg. Oh, please don't break. When you accidentally make a square egg on your own without any tools. So here we've got our perfectly round egg. And let's see if we can change that. I don't think we press it like that. I think we put this back on top. Okay. Is that square enough? This is so freaking weird. Can you believe there's an actual egg inside? I'm gonna come and check on this a little bit later. So it's been like 2 hours since I put this in the fridge, so I'm hoping that this will actually be square. Oh my god. Wait, how do we push this down? Oh, I am shook. I am dead, guys. This right here, guys, is a square egg. Is it weird that I really want to cut into this? I feel like it's gonna be so satisfying. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, it kind of is square in the center. That is so bizarre, guys. This next one is really fun as well. So this is called a sharpener and peeler, and when I show it to you guys, you're gonna think this is something else, but this is not what you're thinking it is. It looks like a giant pencil sharpener, but this is not a pencil sharpener. So basically, you use this to peel off a carrot and also to section a carrot into like these pretty little chunks of carrot that sometimes you see when you go to restaurants. Let's open it up. I don't know why, but I find this hilarious. There's something about like weirdly shaped things that really makes me happy. Like, I love miniature food. I love oversized things as well, apparently. It's got a blade on the bottom and it's got another blade here. I think it's for like different effects. So let's give it a try with this one. It's working. Oh my god, please work. It works. This is beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna try to do a really long one. This one is not only cool, but it's also very, very easy to use. Like, honestly, all you need is a very sharp carrot, and this actually works. Look how sharp the carrot gets. That is so weird. You can also use the bottom to peel off the carrot. How do I even address this without being strange? Basically, the image for this one looks very strange. This is called an egg cracker. It says, crack and separate the egg in seconds. I mean, that's a promise. And this is what the image looks like. It's supposed to crack the egg and then separate the egg yolk from the egg white, I think. I am a complete idiot, and I'm gonna tell you why. I was really excited to try this one out. Then I realized I was so concerned with getting the perfect boiled egg for the square tool that I actually made all the eggs attempting to make the perfect one. That looks so freaking weird, guys. So I guess the egg goes in this little circle, and then... Are those blades? Should we attempt to at least break this hard-boiled egg? Keep in mind that this is a hard-boiled egg, so it's probably not gonna work. Oh! that actually would have worked perfectly. I don't want to damage it anymore because I'm actually going to eat this for dinner. Like, this is incredible, guys. This opened this so perfectly that even with like a hard-boiled egg, look how easy it would be to peel off. You could actually remove just the center of the egg. That's how good this freaking tool is. And this is the last one, and you're looking at an empty box. No, I have not gone crazy. I mean, I did, but that happened many videos ago. But this is a cool shooter. So basically, what you do with this is you freeze ice into the shape of a little glass, and then you can drink whatever you want from it. And then you can also, I'm gonna say suck on the glass because that's what you would do. The glass mold isn't on the inside because it's actually in the freezer because I've left it in there overnight so we can actually test this out. So I filled it up with some juice instead of actual water, so hopefully this is going to work out as well. Let's see how the little glasses are doing. Trying to get this out. Let me know if you want to watch a video on what I eat in a day or like what's in my fridge and mixture between both. I think I kind of messed up here because I filled them up too much because I forgot when something freezes it becomes like bigger in volume, so this is not gonna really sit like a glass. Okay. This is actually really cool. Would you look at that? Oh! That's so good. This is the coolest idea ever. And that was it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. There are so many weird, bizarre, strange food products out there, and I kind of want to make a part 2 where I try some more different products. So if you want to watch a part 2, definitely give this video a like. You will let me know that you guys want to watch it, and I'm not the only weird person who loves reviewing bizarre products. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, all you have to do is scroll down below and there's a subscribe button, and next to it there's a little bell. And I know that I say this in every video and you must be exhausted of me by now, but if you tap that bell, it basically sends you a notification every time I put up a new video, which is the best way to find out if I've posted something new, because sometimes YouTube doesn't really notify you on the subscription boxes. It's a mystery that I still don't really understand. And that was it for this video, guys. I know it was a little bit different than usual, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I will see you tomorrow as usual, and hope you stay well. Oh, that was a weird ending and I just burped.